Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Shane. Today we're diving into some seriously juicy stuff. The moon landing. Did it happen? Or is it the biggest lie ever told? Millions think it's fake. I mean, we're talking about humans walking on the moon. Is that even possible? Let's break it down. This image is iconic, right? But when some people see red flags, literally, they point to the way the flag waves. On the moon, there's no wind. So how could it move like that? That's just one of the many mysteries surrounding the moon landing. Okay, let's talk shadows. Conspiracy theorists, they're all over this one. Look at the photos from the moon. The shadows are all messed up. They go in different directions. Shouldn't they be parallel if the sun is the only light source? It's pretty sus, right? Then there's the whole flag thing. It's waving, but there's no atmosphere on the moon. How is that even possible? And why are there no stars in the background of the photos? Seems fishy, doesn't it? These inconsistencies have fueled the moon landing hoax for decades. Look at this footprint. It's so clear and defined. But the moon's surface is supposed to be covered in fine dust. Would a footprint even be possible? Something doesn't add up. Hold up, though. Let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Before we spiral into full-blown conspiracy mode, let's hear what the scientists got to say. They have spent years studying these phenomena. They've got explanations for all this weirdness. The flag, it has a telescopic pole to make it wave. This design was intentional to give the appearance of fluttering in the wind. The shadows, perspective and the uneven lunar surface can make them look strange. Different angles and the rugged terrain create unusual shadow patterns. And the stars, well, the moon's surface is reflecting so much sunlight that the stars are just too faint to see in the photos. The bright lunar surface outshines the distant stars. Makes sense, right? As for the footprint, the lunar dust is actually clumpy, which allows for those sharp impressions. The unique texture of the moon's surface helps preserve these prints. Look at this. Our planet from the moon. It's a powerful image. Seeing Earth from such a distance gives a new perspective on our place in the universe. And scientists have mountains of evidence to support the moon landing. These moon rocks have unique properties that are unlike anything found on Earth. From moon rocks to independent tracking of the mission, the evidence is pretty overwhelming. The meticulous records and data collected leave little room for doubt. Section 4. Beyond the images addressing further claims. But the conspiracy goes deeper, man. It's not just about the images or the footage. Some people claim the whole thing was filmed in a Hollywood studio, meticulously staged to fool the world. Stanley Kubrick, the visionary director of 2001, A Space Odyssey, was supposedly involved in orchestrating this grand illusion. I mean, the technology back then wasn't what it is today. Computers were massive and special effects were in their infancy. Could they have even faked it convincingly enough to fool the entire world? The thing is, faking a moon landing would have been harder than actually going. The logistics alone are mind-boggling. The sheer scale of the deception, involving thousands of people, would have been impossible to keep secret. Someone would have talked. Plus, other countries, even those that were rivals of the US, tracked the mission and confirmed its authenticity. They had no reason to lie. These rocks, man, they tell a story written in the stars, etched in the very fabric of the moon. Scientists have studied them extensively. They're not from Earth, they're from the moon. The composition is unique. That's pretty solid proof, right? It's hard to argue with the evidence when it's staring you in the face. Section 5. The power of belief. Why do these theories persist? So, why do people still believe the moon landing was a hoax, despite overwhelming evidence to the contrary? Part of it is the internet, which has become a breeding ground for misinformation. Misinformation spreads like wildfire, especially on platforms like YouTube, where algorithms can amplify these theories. People see a video with some seemingly convincing evidence and they're hooked, often without questioning the source. Also, people love a good mystery. The allure of the unknown is powerful. We're naturally drawn to the unknown and unexplained, seeking answers where there might be none. The moon landing, even though it's backed by science and countless testimonies, still holds a sense of wonder and mystery for some. And that can make people more susceptible to believing conspiracy theories, as they seek to fill gaps in their understanding. This image perfectly captures the divide between belief and skepticism. On one hand, you have the wonder of space exploration, a testament to human achievement. On the other, you have skepticism and doubt, fueled by misinformation and a lack of understanding. It's a battle between belief and evidence, a struggle that continues to this day. Section 6, Conspiracy versus Critical Thinking. You decide. Look, I'm not here to tell you what to believe. Do your own research. Look at the evidence, both for and against the moon landing. But be critical, guys. Don't just believe everything you see on the internet. Think for yourselves. The moon landing is an incredible achievement. It represents the pinnacle of human ingenuity and exploration. Whether you believe it happened or not, it's a story that continues to captivate and inspire us. Peace out.